This video marketing tool is going to help you grow your business. I call this all-in-one video marketing tool. It's called Vidtags. And before we jump into the demo, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. So Vidtags is a video marketing hosting platform, but you can add a lot of AI elements. So here's the description of this tool. Leverages AI to translate, transcribe, add interactive table of content to your marketing videos and audios, and then you can host these videos on dedicated pages like sales pages. Let me show you this tool in action. I'm gonna go to create and demo. They have created a demo page, which is a really good way of showing how this tool works. So here's the tool, the demo video, and then there are different languages. Look at this, 5 different languages. Here's the key points. AI has generated these key points from this one video. And then you can also search. So let's say I want to search for term marketing. I can search through the transcript of this video. You don't have to do anything yourself. This tool will do it for you, Vidtags. And then you can create dedicated pages for your videos. So if you have sales videos, maybe you have lead generation videos, you can create videos or landing pages like this and then promote it, get traffic, get leads for your business. Now, one other thing I'll mention on AppSumo, Vidtags is you can get a lifetime deal, but I am, full disclosure, I am an affiliate for AppSumo and this product. So I'm going to have a link in the description below. You can use my link to save 10% on the lifetime deal. So you don't even have to pay monthly or lifetime. You can save on the lifetime deal. So let me go back here and I want to show you some of the key features. This tool has literally hundreds of features. So for example, number 1, you can connect and import videos from YouTube, Zoom, Facebook, anything you can imagine. You can easily import your videos. Number 2, customize your marketing videos and audio players without any design. It's kind of like Canva for videos. Number 3, this tool, Vidtags, will create interactive table of content. So the example that I showed you. Number 4, transcribe your videos and audios. And then you can make your content searchable. Your audience will just put your keywords and find the exact moment in the content. And then a couple of other things, 35 different languages you can translate your video or your content into. Here's another really cool feature, generate AI-powered audio from text or audio to text. So if you create blogs, this tool could be really handy for you. Here's another one, automatically convert any blog post to audio. So like I said in the beginning of this video, this is all-in-one video marketing tool or platform. You can download your videos and audios. One of the best features, which is not mentioned here, and I don't know why, you can create from a long video, you can create small snippets. So imagine if you have a 10-minute video, you can create small snippets for your TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, any short form platform for your business. Now, let me give you a short demo. I'm going to log into my account and then I'll show you. Here's my account, projects, folders, sales pages. So this is where you can create sales pages. Under projects is you can import videos or audios. Now, if you want to create a new project or new video project, just click on the video and then you're going to click on add new. And now look at this, you can get videos from any URL, YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, or just browse or from your computer, upload video from your computer. I already have a video, so I'm going to open that and show you how to create that small snippets from a long video, because that's one of my favorite features of Vidtags. So here's the video that I have imported into, I can click on open now. And you can import videos and also audio. So if you create podcasts, you can use this tool really easily. Now here's once I uploaded the video, different languages, you can select different languages, and then this tool created the transcript for me. How cool is that? Now, here's what I want to show you. Let's say I want to create a snippet of these two moments in the video. So 46 second, and then 52 second. So what you want to do is click on this plus icon right here, and then click on this icon, and let's say this too. Now from this, I think the video is like 3 minutes. from that 3-minute video, I'm going to create a small snippet for my, let's say, TikTok or whatever. So once you have all these segments or snippets selected, scroll back up, and then you're going to click on export. And then it will take few seconds. And then once it's done, there you go. Once it's done, you're going to go to export. And now here are different snippets. So this is a 17-second, this is a minute 20-second, 9-second, here's a 13-second one, and then you can download these snippets. So that's one of my favorite features. The reason is because I repurpose a lot of content from long videos to short videos. So I make videos on YouTube for myself and also for clients, and then we repurpose those videos, or we create snippets for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and all kinds of stuff. So this tool can do everything for you. You can transcribe in different languages, you can create video pages or sales pages, and you can also convert long form videos into short snippets. Let me go back, and then you can also download those snippets. So if you want to create sales pages, you can click on here, and let's just let me show you how to create a sales page. Let's just say I'm going to create a demo page. Demo, hit create. Let's turn on the visibility to yes. You can do all kinds of customization to this. I'm going to leave it for now. Also SEO, if you're going to embed this or maybe host this on your own website, you can add your title tags and meta tags, stuff like that. And then to add the video, I'll click on add video, and then here's the video. I'll click on this, and it will create the pages for me, the video pages. Let me resize this video. Look at this. Also, I can add promotional content to it if I want to add some headers and footers, any buttons. So there's all kinds of customization that you can do with these video pages or sales pages. Let me close this because I do not want to create a sales page right now. Let me actually delete this. What I do the most with this tool, Vidtags, is create snippets from a long video, a small micro snippets or micro segments that we use on short form platforms like TikTok and Reels. Again, the tool is called Vidtags, and I'm going to have a link in the description below that you can use to save on the lifetime deal. You do not have to pay the lifetime deal. You can save with my link, you will save on that as well. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.